Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, there you go. That's exactly what I wanted. Nice. Under the cursor. But there's a bug here. Yeah. Fix available. Unused include that, but it doesn't make any sense. I bet the fix is to remove. Anyways, okay, so do this as well. FG. Okay. If I see, you don't have a job. How the hell do I do that? Oh wait. What is jobs? FG help. What was it? FG2? Oh no. Job not found to. I don't have one page. How the hell do I? Honestly, I don't know. I forgot. Llama. How about this? Jobs. FG jobs. Linux. What the fuck? I forgot. FG to bring most recent. So I cannot pass the one I want? Job spec. Oh. Okay. So you have to do percentage. 1. Well, you learn something new every day. Yeah, all this blob you don't need. So now I finally understand. So it's like a foreground thing. It's not suspension or key or whatever. It just takes it from here. Got it. Hang on a second. Now I cannot. Llama. And FG by itself just brings the. But if type jobs done nothing. Alright. Whatever then. We learned something new. What I wanted is this one. Okay. If we go back, we're halfway there. Yeah, there you go. This line is here. Yeah, we got it. And Lucifer. Well. Yeah, half of China. Let's make sure. I think we have a run or something. There you go. Oh. I mean, yeah. Here's the this. Oh, no deal. Diamonds. And me and chill. Okay, on the live. Just keep it like this. Okay, looking good. Let's go. All right. Except change the CPU feature. No, I don't care to have various elements, various events, such as invalid memory access, page faults, illegal instruction, and system calls. Yeah. Exception is like a hardware assistant try catch mechanism in C++ or Java. Until CPU encounters a situation where the kernel intervention is required, it continues to execute the program. Okay, different. So the kernel can resume the execution from the point where the exception occurred, as if nothing happened. That doesn't sound like a cool CPU feature. I would say yeah. If he's able to resume. Okay, that's interesting. Exception can also be triggered in kernel mode. Most of the fatal kernel bugs. If can reset unexpected no. Or kernel does not work as expected. Wait, is that why it's called exception? It's like an exception has a. Oh my god. I recommend implementation of an exception handler. Exception handler, another character for with a kernel frame. It's similar to adding a handle rejection handler. That's the first step in JavaScript development. Okay. Life of an exception. In RISC-V, an exception will be handled as follows. CPU checks the medlag register. The time which operation mode should handle the exception. In our case, often SVI has already configured the U mode, S mode, exception S mode. Is S mode the system? CPU saves its state register via CSRs below. The value of STVEC register is set to the program counter. Jump into the kernel handler. Kernel's exception handler. The exception handler saves and refers to the registry. The program. There you go. Yeah. The program state and it handles the exception. Once it's done, the exception handler restore the save execution state and calls the sthread instruction on resume execution where the functions of exception occurred. This updated step. Oh my god, I cannot read. These CSRs updated in step 2. Alright. Are mainly as follows. Kernel exception determines the action based on the necessary action based on the CSR. It's cause, type of exception, kernel reads this to identify type of exception, additional CST val, additional information about the exceptions of memory. I'll just got that check now. I always wonder this. It's like, isn't it easier to just remove that? SEPC. Our program counter at the point where the reception has occurred. Status. A operation mode on the exception has occurred. And then this is the exception handler. Okay, I have to add this to kernel C. Cara, ita, mamacita. I say, does it matter the position? Good question. All right. Let's go to his. How the fuck did he put this bullshit? Tense. There. Damn it. Give me a chair. There. Bank account, balance. Does you feeling me? Yeah, see? Yeah. What? You put it up. Double G. Okay. Because the other doesn't matter, I'm gonna put it down since this file is like, look at this shit. Oh, this is a different one, even. Okay, I'm gonna put these motherfuckers down. Yeah, fuck that. All right, put this maybe even here. But this is I don't know where to put this. Yeah, why? See, if I knew, I would put boot at the top, but whatever. There you go. So, found my home. Yeah, time is on my chain. Time is on my phone. Prettier. Shoes down. I use. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, God. I spent thousands on my fucking shoes. Like, wow, am I supposed to really know what the fuck this does? Wow. That's crazy. And then he's gonna try to break down. Let's see. Scratch, we have it here. Where it says just temporary storage, just say stack pointer at the occurrence of at the time of exception occurrence, just later restore. Okay. Floating point registry are not used within the kernel. There's no need to save them there. Generally, they say we're still doing thread switching. The stack pointer is set in the A0 register. And the handle trap function is called I feel like you talk about shit I never heard of. Wait. Handle trap. Oh, this one. Okay. At this point, the address pointed to the stack pointer contains the register values stored in the. Oh, I cannot read without glasses. It's amazing. It is. It is what it is. All right. Let's call later. The attribute align. Okay, maybe. Oh, here, this one. Align the function. Set out just a 4 bytes boundary. Oh. Okay. Because this very register. Don't hold the address of a first one. But also has a 5% amount in its server bytes. No, the entry pointer handlers one of the critical and thereupon parts of the kernel. Reading the call calls will notice original values. So general purpose register. I saved on TSP and scratch. You multiplying -4 with 31. My god, I don't know what you're doing. If you accidentally override the A0 here, it can lead to a hard to debug problems like local values change for no apparent reason. However, if I'm gonna say perfectly, do not spend fire. Not spend your precious Saturday night volume. Okay. In the entry point, Uh, the entry point, the following handle trap function is called to handle the exception. And our favorite C language. Okay. But you have to build this struct, no? Oh, of course. Fuck me. Okay, wait. I will move boot at the top or whatever. Now it's just too late. Um, the other doesn't matter. I say put it here. Ben, sketchy feeling me. Cash on delivery. Oh my god, was that any double G? I think it's fine. Can you call Trop? That's a naughty. It is why the exception has occurred and triggers the kind of panic for the wagon process. Oh, you're defining this. Okay, I see. Right, but you're not calling it right yet. Okay. Yeah, diamonds in my chain. Diamonds on my phone. My no. Diamond in my no. Oh, diamonds on my tongue. Who's down? You including common now? Say what? Right, so this code is all over the place. Right. Wait. Let's go back. I could say it told me to put that there. This is common, okay. Colon C, okay. What the fuck? Oh, kernel, H, okay. Colon H, okay. See, you told me to put it there. Now you're saying don't? And then you have common H. Then you have the kernel panic. And then all of the sudden, H has... Okay, what do I know? What do I know? Okay, let's save. Okay, we have an error. Let's see. In include file reduction. A declaration of C built in PyType bool. Wait, how is that a declaration? Wait, didn't you just show me the... Oh, no, you didn't. Okay, whatever then. So copy this guy. Now my question is, okay, do I remove the panic from here? Probably not. Okay, because, you know, C++ makes no sense. Just try to format it and that's it. Wait, no. Wait, what? I didn't know that. Or J. Seven J. There we go. Okay. Can we close this? There we go. You put it here. Nice. Panic, right? Sit there. Okay. Good stuff. Um, can I wait? Can I just run? Okay. It says booted. It said something here, but the trap frame is here. The state having the kernel entry function. Okay. Markers can when you read them for the line. Okay. The last thing we need to do is start the CPU where the exception handler is located. It's done by setting the shutdown function. Okay. So just do kernel C actually. Main. Yeah, we remove Windows all of a sudden. Or wait a second. Can we do this? I don't know what none of this does. In addition to setting the right register, it executes the your name instructions, how the instruction figure if they go. What? Figure instruction exception. Other risk with the programmer manual. Oh, according to yeah. The assembly translation 12 translation. This reads right to the title. And we don't register CPU determines the instructions and valid and triggers an illegal extraction exception. Then hello world should panic. Wait, what? Wait. Where the fuck is the hello world? What the fuck? TRSU. Then you do same thing, just to kill. Yeah, see? Don't have the kernel entry. The kernel entry is an entire function. Maybe this needs to be a pointer. Hang on. Wrong one. Yeah, I'm just gonna look at this stuff. There's nothing wrong with looking it up. Let's try it. No. What is that stuff? Killing through. Okay, wait a second. I didn't say the LD. Okay, I don't know. See, I'm confusing myself, Llama. So this stays in kernel C. Just what? He just didn't want to show that for whatever fuck reason. Okay. To be fair, it kind of makes sense. There you go. Now, about chat and untie. Oh no. This is still undeclared. What the fuck? He has English. Okay. Does he have? Okay. Huh. That's interesting. How the hell do you do this? Show me the kernel HA. Oh my fucking god. Is also included there? Why? Oh, you had 5. Okay. Why is it in both? I have more questions about C than all these shenanigans. Okay. How about now? Okay. 1 error, 1 warning, 7 hours. Okay. Before 20 hours. Hell yeah, brother. Alright, listen. This is our definition. If you're including this file, shouldn't we just remove it from here? That shit's so funny. Wait, maybe I missed something. Alright. Include 8. Okay. Yeah, there's no common here. Did I miss something? Common. 8. Okay. This is the only one. Oh, there's double G. It's like the most important thing is not telling us what to do. Here it says hello world, but we don't have hello world from the previous code. My guy, we cannot read your mind. According to the specification, the value as goes through is indicates the legal instruction. Means that the program has to execute some value instruction. This precise behavior of NIP instruction. Let's check where the value of aspect is pointing to. If it's pointing to the line where the NIP instruction call, everything working correctly. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. The definition of kernel entry. You can do here. What is in common and common C? There you go. Let me see. So you have these types. Okay. The mems, okay, but this will be just this. But the only thing is this function. This function exists to be redefined whenever you import this. It just takes some type of formatting. This is print String comp, set cop, and set and cop. Just the fuckers look the same. Okay. Then you have the stuff. Okay, got it. So, what does it say? How is that an error? This motherfucker. Invalid argument. Process not always fail. Okay. Let me look into this. What? What the fuck? There you go. Built-in F permissive? What? Oh, F permissive is for C++, but not C? That's some bullshit. How about GCC? A bunch of things they're talking about. How about this? Fix using LPR. Thanks for it. No. I will not. Why? Okay. And then hashtag and if. There you go. There you go. Okay, but first of all, how the fuck do you know that? It's like the compiler is self-aware or something. Okay, show me run. Do you have G++? You don't have G++. So what the fuck are you talking about? Okay. We try to compile the compile with assist plus fact, okay. Yeah, oh my god. Compiler, blah 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 blah. Not okay. ICDC 11. Should I not use this? I'm using C-line curva. What the fuck? Wait, how do you know which flags I'm using to build my shit? That's my question. Okay, if I remove this. See? How do you know that? Wait, I think I got it. No. Wait. I think I got it. Do I have C++? Oh, so there you go. That's the problem. I don't have GCC. Of course, it's a fucking wrapper. Okay. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Zlibs STD, sure. It's a GCC, okay. Collect GCC, but this is just for us. What? Okay, I never gonna run this shit again. And this is what the fuck is your problem? Okay, this is probably type or whatever. Okay. So we please fix this. Let me look at his code. How the hell did he fix that? Come on, H. He just has it. Damn, bro is balling like this. Okay, but to be fair, this file doesn't change. Good to know. Okay, what about common? Common also doesn't change. That's also good to know. I guess skip it because it's one less error, right? Meh. Git status, git add common, git commit, come on. Wait, no, git log, I don't know, fucking 3. Oh, okay, see, just mess. Wrapped, bool redeclaration or redefinition. Oh, my bad. And bool type redefinition, yeah, whatever that means. Okay, so now we are here. How the hell do I do this? The error somehow. But yeah, okay, let's see. 1 second. Okay. From here. Okay. It says handle trap. Resolve undeclared identifier kernel entry. Okay. To be fair, that's true, right? Where? Wait, are you really gonna be a bitch? It's gonna be a bitch. There you go. So that's the problem. Man, I'm used to Pythons and shit. So that was the problem. Okay. How about now? 6. Hell yeah, brother. Let's go. Okay. What did it say? Handle trap. Trap thing. Warning, I use parameter. F100 parameter. In kernel line 34. Handle trap. Okay. So you're receiving this, but you're not doing anything with it. That makes sense. Okay. How the hell did you fix this? Maybe we're gonna use it later on. Bro, why are we searching for stuff? Handle trap. So we're gonna ignore for now because we're gonna use later. You cannot handle Syscall yet. That's fine. How about this? Here you go. Rain is the what? Bro, I didn't do anything. Just go here. There you go. And now it should work. No, it's not working. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Wait, I fucked up. Okay. Where the fuck did they put this? And that's the skull, yield, process. Da, 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 da. So I would say I don't have this file system. We're not handling file system yet. Wait, where the fuck is that? Oh, look at this. So the handle tab is after. No, the previous definition is here. Oh fuck. Okay. Can we do the following? Wait, too much information. Close this. Close this. There you go. I have one file. Can we do the following? 5. Now you press D. The problem is I don't know how many. Just the shift instead, and then do 17. There you go. All right. Okay, there you go. See? Look at this shit. Oh my god, there you go. So that was the problem. So can we go back? Go back altogether. Wait, do you remember this file from the beginning? Okay. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so yeah. And now I lost that. That's fine. Do git restore kernel C. There you go. I believe you have to force a fucking read. There you go. So this is, oh, that's the wrong file. There you go. This is where we were. Okay. See, that's why you just keep going. You don't have a fucking choice. All right, so I want this function again. But now we know that this bitch just doesn't do anything. Okay, go like that. This is also C. Put it above here. I think it's gonna do it for me. No? Okay, no problem. So just whatever. Common, this is kernel H. We just go there. Bro, I'm old. I'm sleepy as hell. So we just have this. We have this. These are independent. Cool. We have dot one. Okay, but he put after? Why did he put after? Let's see. Amp. Then reg. Mamacita. Lucifer. This is just some bullshit. Yeah, some trap packed. Then now copy this. Um, on my from my paste. Then like this, and I think then you run. We're gonna keep the loop. Fuck it. So yeah, then you just do shell of run. Yeah, you failed, but you said unexpected blah blah blah. You can do show double G. Let's see why I fell. Yeah, this is yeah, whatever. This is fine. This is expected. Yeah. You do have the exception, same way they have there. That's fine. Values might be a little bit different, but we don't care. Okay. Then you can do this, but let's do L paste. Then it's gonna say go to common 0. I bet that doesn't make any sense. Common C0. That means you are importing. Yeah, it shouldn't be this message. Hold on. Can we do? Oh wait, you had there. Printf hello world. Yeah. There you go. And then you come here. PQ. No. Okay. Whatever. PQ. QEMU. Don't run it again. So we're not able to print. 10,000 on my fucking shoes. You gotta watch your mouth, man. Fucking cool. I think this is the error. So what we do? We come here. Put just 10A. Hell yeah, brother. And then you have 119. So this function is doing the bullshit. Okay, can we do like this? We have page. Run it again. Hello world. Hell yeah. And then it's 1-to-1 to this. And if I run this again, you got the same message. We have less lines for some reason. And that's it. Yep, that's it for today. How big is this one? If it's not that big, I say just do it as well. So we can like progress a little bit further. And then just process this KO, outros, whatever. Okay, let's keep going. So there's just something I actually don't use that much. You can just do this. So go to git status, git add. Yeah, this is exactly how I want it. And then you can say added kernel exception. Right? Okay, then you just close, copy this guy. Let's do this one really quick. So like this 64. Okay, let's see. Before implement a memory allocator, let's define the memory region managed by the allocator. Okay, whatever that means. It's just symbol freeram and freeram end to define the memory area. After the stack space, the size of the space 64, have a type value. Okay, and the line of boundary. By defining the linker script, instead of the hardcore in the value, just linking the time and the position of static kernel data. Practical operating system 686-64. Determine the value of the reach by obtaining information from the hardware at boot time. From UEFI, you get from memory. We get memory map. Most simplest memory allocation algorithm. Let's implement a function to allocate memory dynamically. Instead of allocating bytes like malloc, integrate larger Unicode pages, typically 4 kilobytes. Is it the hexadecimal? Okay. The following alloc pages function dynamic allocates n pages of memory and returns the address. You putting this in the kernel? Chama-se essa qua? Okay. So just put this here. I don't know what's going on. Like I'm not pressing my buttons or something. Copy this address. Where the fuck do you put this? I would say right after. Thank you, comment bands. Guess you're feeling me. Yeah, there you go. Then you can panic. That's great. Yeah, that's okay. Well, page size. Even the number size on one page. Definition common age. Oh, I thought that whatever. Then you go to common age. Let's see, maybe 14. Let's copy the file. Nice. So the simple types at the top. That makes sense. Then you have what? You find following key points. And then next padre. Here, okay. Define a static variable. What the fuck is a static variable? This means unlike local variable, it's return value between function calls. Guys behave like a global variable. So why not just define a global? Next pad points to the address next to the allocated sphere. Okay. And allocating. Next to the advanced size of being allocated. Okay, but it's not a half pointer, okay. Then n. N is what you're receiving, okay. You just multiply. Okay, so from the beginning, you get the pad address, and then this is next. Okay, then check. If the original pad address is free to the end, you run out of memory. Otherwise, you set from memory to this, and then you return pads. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it holds the memory address of everyone. The memory is allocated the sequence from starting from. Yeah, misplaced on a 4K boundary due to the align of 4. I don't see the align, but I'm assuming it's here. Then in the Lancaster, let's go up. Align. Oh, when you call this function, okay, I see. Lemma. Okay. If you try to allocate beyond down around, in other words, run out of memory, kind of panic occurs. The mem set of function shares that the archaic memory is always filled with zeros. Just to avoid hard to debug issues initialize memory. Okay. Isn't this simple? However, there's a big problem with the memory location algorithm. Allocated memory cannot be freed. What? That said, it's good enough for simple OS. This algorithm is not a bumper locator or an allocator. Use a session where the location is not necessary. Research active location algorithm can find that if not very fast. When the location is common to use bitmap based algorithm or use algorithm called the body system. Okay. And then let's set another location. See, I think this book is missing something. It's missing the why. Because if I'm here to learn, you're not really saying why. Why am I doing memory location? Why is this necessary? What kind of examples can you give me where this is gonna be needed? You know, it's great for people that already have an idea. They kind of, oh, how would I do this? How would I do memory location? How would I do this? And then they're like, oh, okay, this I can do. But for me, a person that barely knows C++, I usually will work with what? Python, JavaScript. I'm dabbing a little bit in Golang. Yeah, this does nothing, not gonna lie. This is does nothing. But it is what it is. We are committed, we're just gonna continue. But yeah, it's not giving me the impact I was expecting, but it is what it is. Okay, so here we go. Then you have hello world and then the allocator pages, and then you can see you. But you're saying panic booted. How that works? Huh? Assuming we don't need this anymore? That's another thing. It's like, you have to show what you're doing, man. I cannot read your fucking mind. Kernel underscore main. See, I didn't know how to do this. Okay, so you have the run set. Okay, then happen. Okay. So we keep this. Okay, so let's do the following. Copy this. Okay. Okay. No idea what you're copying, but it is what it is. There you go. So copy this. I don't need none of that. Got it. So we can remove. Yeah, we can go like this now. Keep this. Keep the hello world. There you go. Right? There you go. It says booted and then panic. Okay. This is still empty, but that's fine. Okay. Can we do some of this? Let's see. If I paste this, yeah, we'll have some message. What if we don't have the booted? Okay, and then you just what? Then you just run. Unexpected trap. That's interesting. Can we do this? Let's see. Take this. Go to this. There you go. See? Okay, so just do booted. Kill. Come here. Yeah, it says booted. Okay. Mm. That's it, I would say, right? Yeah, that's it. All right, that's it for today. We are here. No need to do the. Oh shit! Actually, you have to. You do ILC stop. Yeah, that will just kill the fucking thing. And here we just do everything. Which is, what was the previous one? Yeah, I think it was added. Wait, if I do, can I still do diff? Yeah, we added the plus size. Nice. But it's related, so this should be added to the previous one. We didn't. Hold on. I don't think we changed anything to this. Okay. Yeah, we just did memory allocation. Okay, wait. I don't know how that's possible. But wait, what? Oh, see? Because diff won't work. Okay, wait. We can do git restore staged star. No. You have to do manually? Really? Come on. Kernel. Look at this shit. Hey, for you, can I just do it? You can push, why not? You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to assume everything's okay. Added kernel. Everything's kernel too, pretty much. So I'll just add memory allocation. Yeah.